Hey guys, today I will show you how to charge your Charge Blade on PC in Monster Hunter World. First, make sure you are in Sword and Shield mode. Attack the monster with normal attacks to build energy. Watch the file gauge near your weapon icon. Red means your files are fully charged. Once the gauge is red, hold guard and right-click to load the energy into your files. Do this right away to avoid sword bouncing. Useful tip. The fastest way to build files to red is looping this combo. Hold right-click, then press left-click plus right-click. As soon as the files glow red, hold Ctrl and right-click to load the energy into your files. And that's how to charge your Charge Blade in Monster Hunter World on PC. Thank you so much for watching.